Welcome to Imperfect Garden. My name is Robert. Today we're going to take care of my leeks. Well, as usually, it has happened that maybe I have neglected the leeks a little bit too long. So they have grown themselves too long, too skinny, and they start to reach the point now where the soil in the small cells in the propagation tray, it's not enough with soil anymore. So they start grow. They slow the growth now, and now we need to start moving them to bigger pots. We need to spread them apart, and we need to cut off the half of them. So the rest of it will grow stronger and bigger, wider, I should say, wider or better leek. So let's take a look at my leeks. They look like the hair of Medusa, and here they are. As you can see, they're very spidery now. Too long. Some of them are like 20 centimeters, and this does not work. So we take the camera and we go up close, and we'll see how I will do this. The only thing that we will need is, of course, a spoon to dig up the leeks with the soil from the propagation cell. We need a pair of scissors, of course, because we need to cut them. And we need a lot of bigger pots, and I'm afraid that I'm running low on the half-size, cultivation pots. But I managed to get at least 12, so we can move these to 12 bigger pots. As usual, we take a bit of soil in the bottom, because when we move these now, we will bury them again a little bit deeper, so you get a little bit more roots from the steam. So let's start with one of these, and we just stick it up like that. And if we start to take the soil off like this, you get into the leeks. And here we have them. Let's see. Whoop. And here we have now the leeks with small roots. So we try to spread them apart and bury them again in the pot. I have to say, this is not easy because I have to fight with them because they are so spidery. Oh, come on now, be straight, all of you. Now I have only the roots end. Let's see now. This time I should have maybe, if you look at this, I try now to spread them out to like one in each corner. So you have like 2-3 centimeters between the base of each stem, because it's not easy to fill up when they are this small and spidery. But we start now to put in the soil and push a little bit. And we have to be careful because these break so easily. So like one is standing up there. One is there. Let's see now this one up without breaking. That, and here we have the last one. So now we have 4 of these. You see, I could put in more soil, but I really don't want to do it at this point. I'll just put in water, and when these get strong and start growing again, we can fill up a little bit more soil. I put in some soil in the bottom of the pot, and let's try one of the big ones. This one, the first one only had like 4, it's actually only 4 leeks. This one looks like we have much more, and this one actually have the roots coming out from the bottom. The other one have very small roots. So this one, let's not try to take away the soil. Let's just see, we just break them apart and spread them out a little bit like that. So maybe it goes a little bit faster. One leek is running away. Back to you, bad boy. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? We put them in the pot every day. Let's see, one is, come up. You can't see it, but I'll manage to, like this. Now we just spread them with the fingers apart a little bit like that, so we don't have to do all the, put one in each corner. Shake a little bit, twist and shake here, and push down a little bit more here. a little bit more soil in here. Oh, not big lumps. We don't want big lumps. And move them up again. Push, push. Up in the air, up in the air. Like that. Now I'm more satisfied. They're very weak now, of course. But this time I didn't take them apart. I just spread the cluster of leeks with the roots a little bit wider now. So they will start growing again and get stronger this time. And of course we will cut them. But we don't cut them first. We just we start with just replanting. Now I'll stop the video because I will do the rest very fast. And then we'll come back for the cutting. So far, all looks good. I know they look very sad like now. They look very, very sad because now I have been tormenting them quite a lot. Some of them will die. And as we say here in Imperfect Garden, if they die, well, they are weak. And they should die. It sounds really bad every time I say it. So, let's do the cutting now. And the cutting is very basic. It's like cutting hair. Like you take this one. You see all of them here. And you want to cut off half of it. Let's see if I get every strand. See now, and now we have every strand. And this is like, say, around 15 centimeters. So we just do like this. Cut off. Already you see that, of course, a lot of weight disappears. So look at that. Already they are looking much better. And of course I have water. I have already watered them. So now they will start growing much better again. Yeah, look, new haircut. I could go to party. That was the first one. And of course, everything of these, what I cut off, this is very tasty. Put this on a sandwich. Just clean it first. You don't want the soil in it. But clean this and put it on a sandwich. It's very good. And we just continue on and cutting all the hair here. And here we have snip. Like that. And we remove the things we have cut. Let's see, like that. Ah, this one is a sad one. I don't know what I did with this one. I managed to beat it up a little bit too much, I think. Let's see if we can get everyone in one ponytail. Like that. Ah, this one is sad. Cut it. Well, we'll see how if it survives. I think I damaged it a little bit too much. And also because I let them grow too long. When they start looking too much, when they start looking like a straw of grass, then you know you have to cut it. Don't wait too long because they get, well, they can get weaker, of course. Because you want them to start growing strong. And this one we do a little bit like this. Take away everything that looks dead. When it's yellow or dead, don't save it, just take it off. Oh, I'll take off the whole root now, like that. And I took off one. Ah, I killed one. Never mind that. You did not see it. I killed one. My mistake. Assassin. We will call it Imperfect Assassin. Like that. This one is along there. Cut off there and there. So, only 5 more and we are finished for today. The next video I will make tomorrow will be the sweet potatoes. We have a lot of progress with the sweet potatoes, and at the same time we have no progress at all. It's we have some bad childs with the sweet potatoes, but hopefully they will start grow again. No, hopefully some of them will start grow, I should say. It's really like cutting hair. It's very funny. And here we have the last one. Oh, look at that. This one was easy to cut. I managed everything in one ponytail. As you can see, this is very, very easy. Just don't wait too long. When it starts looking like too long grass, you cut it. Just put water on it, put them in a little bit bigger pot, spread them apart a little bit, but as you can see, they are so small, it's difficult to take one by one, because with my fat fingers, I really could break them. So just break them apart a little bit so they get a little bit more air around the roots, a little bit more soil, and then it will start growing again. Yeah, I will have a lot of leek, I have to say. It will be a lot of leeks this year. I will probably sell a lot of them. I will just keep a couple of them. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you like it, and give me a comment and subscribe, please. And please watch my other video tomorrow, Sweet Potatoes Updates. The disappointed ones and the very good ones. Have a very good Monday. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.